If I did offer to him, I would be but yours.
I could have bought it for you.
Can you say mama?
This is how you get the chip lane right here. You gotta hit that last button. Hold that black button down. Go. You're going in the pits.
Oh, you gotta hold it down.
You gotta hold it down. Hold it right down. You missed the lane. Go slow through there. Now hold the button right down. Drive in the pit.
Did you hear it switch?
Hear it click?
Hold the button.
Hold the button down. The black button. You gotta move the car ahead a little more.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I didn't know that.
These are old cars.
Yeah, you did refueling. Yeah. So
DA has finished refueling.
you could have the slowest car and still win because of what number was this? It's number two. You're driving in out of the short. Not in the pit, you're on the inside lane. You get here, hold the black button. There you go, forward. Go. What do you think? You got it? Watch it. Let's see if you can show your name up there.
What are you entering his name?
I'm trying. I didn't bring my cheaters, so I can't see.
What are you doing, Steve?
Putting this NASCAR together, hopefully.
Are you?
Jim needs to review water.
I think we're replacing the whole pump. And if they got a pump, they got advanced auto parts for like $400.
Hi.
Jim is in the pit.
Mr. Hickey, SNH bicycle store owner.
No cheating going on.
Are you?
Jim has
Again?
finished refueling.
Not yet.
Right here.
No, those don't. Yeah. Okay. You don't go?
Paul needs to review water.
Check with Steve.
Mine is broken.
Uh-oh.
Is that one fast?
Probably not.
Black fast.
NASCAR.
What do you think, Aaron?
Huh?
What do you think?
That's really fun.
Is it really fun?
Yeah. No, it's not mine. Come on, you got it.
Haven't seen. It broke again.
Oh, did it die again?
These haircuts, there's a little bit of there's a strength that they can slow down and they can see if they're crashing and getting those lunges right. If the drivers feel like they're
Aaron is Aaron has finished refueling.
Three, two, one, go!
Right now, go.
Yeah,
Which one?
somebody crossed in front of me.
Did they all go?
Yeah.
Going the way it should've?
That was good.
I thought somebody wasn't.
Yeah, I think Chris, or, James, I think jumped it like, really fast and I went into him and pushed him off though.
Because we don't have to check the cars. Right.
All fast, push them
Check,
off.
check Chris or Steve and they're like, woo!
Can't pass or crash.
Three,
There you go.
two, one.
Caution.
Sorry. Let's do it again.
Three, two, one, go!
Steve did a new fastest lap. Fastest lap by Steve.
I knew that was happening.
Thanks, Paul.
Caution.
Three, two, go!
Has taken the lead. Sarah has taken the lead.
Ready for it? Okay, you're racing. My bad.
It's okay. I don't want to call it that.
So who are you? I'm Sarah.
Wait a minute, what?
What number are you?
Oh, I'm one. So Chris, okay.
Track.
Wow, how did you do that?
I'm gonna fix the controller
Caution.
game.
Steve is in the
Well, we just found out that we get tires for these, so that helps the cars a lot. 'Cause these
Yeah.
are, like casting heavy, so
Thank you.
just down along. Steve,
Was that you?
Karma.
Leaving the bumper garage.
I don't like the bump and run.
Attention, only 1 minute left.
The carnage! All the carnage is everywhere.
Steve is in the lead.
Boom.